Hey everyone, Trina here, back with day 36 of the 100 Day Project. Today we're just gonna play and see what we can get. Let's start off with some watercolor. Feeling very whimsical today, so we're just gonna see what happens. I'm not sure what I want to make today. So, I'm really liking playing with this card. So I thought we might do a little bit more of that. Try it with some dry rather than letting the paper down. Kind of getting some cool marks through here. Just gonna get a little bit more of that solid paper. This is kind of fun. One of my lovely followers suggested using a mask. So we might try that out today, see where that gets us. I'm kind of just using up the paint that I poured out yesterday. Not really adding any new paint, just sort of going with what I've already got out. I didn't want this paint. And I got a new stencil I want to try out. Well, new old. It's one that I bought a long time ago that I never actually used. I'm just loving this card right now. I know it looks like a big old mess, but I love it. It's so interesting, all the different marks you can make with it. Okay, let's stop there for a minute. Okay, so I've laid down some paper here, and we're only going to print right through here. This is the ivory black. I'm kind of trying to figure out how I can use that color. So I bought it, and I didn't really use it for what I thought I was going to use it for. It's just so thin. I don't know. But that made it good. And then this is the stencil. It's kind of a fun, actually I think I want to use it this way. Kind of a fun, like, sort of snake skinny pattern. I'm going to see what happens when we, ooh, look at that. That's really cool. Let's take that up. Neat. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll put some matte medium over it and transfer it. Okay, let's blur that out. And we're gonna lay it down like right through there. I think I just got it really crooked. Okay, on the back side of the pieces that we made yesterday. Let's flip it over and see what it looks like. That's kind of fun. Okay, let's let this dry. Okay, let's take this up, see what we got. Looks like we got a pretty good transfer there. That's kind of fun. Okay, let's go in with these Garphitints. This is the cool brown. I'm feeling very marky today, so we're going to play with these and see what happens. These are water soluble. I was wondering if, get a clean brush. Yeah, we can make some marks through here. Okay, I'm really liking how this is coming out. I'm gonna lay down some color, go back in, brush with a damp brush. This isn't really wet. Let's go in with this cool gray. I'm liking these marks. Sort of subtle, really nice. Ooh, what if we took the stencil? Wonder how hard that would be to use through here. Some more water on there. Not too much though. Just trying to figure out different ways to use different tools to make interest. Ooh, that's really pretty. Why do I love that so much? Okay. I think I want some more of these over here. Maybe not as many. Like 5, maybe. Because I might want to go in with some white as well. Ooh, I just love that. Okay, I'm going to go in with this dark indigo. See where this leads us. Just want like a few through here. I'm just really loving this right now. I'm probably overusing it, but... Need some more water. I'm just sort of loving how... This one doesn't seem to be. There we go. Just need a little smudgies. Ooh, these are really fun. We're going to definitely have to play with this for a while. Oh, it made it kind of smudgy. That's all right. I think my brush was too wet there, but that's okay. Let's just sort of, let's wet it down and play with this idea a little more through here. Sort of a wet, making more marks. Maybe this will get me out of my uber dark period that I've been in. I gotta tell you, it's been... Okay, there's this cocoa color that is kind of neat. Let's put some of that through here. Just those little pops of color. Almost feels like a seascape. I really like that stencil. Getting too dainty. Okay. I think I'm going to add some white, and then I think we're going to be done probably. So, okay, so it's a little different than what we normally do. Oh, actually, I'm missing part of it. Let me scoot out a little bit. There we go. The stencil with the Garphitint is really cool, and I like all the Garphitint that we made. I think it works really well with the watercolor wash and sort of that bold color of the black, but not black. I wonder what it would look like with black, though. And I think it might look too stuck on. I like the ivory black. I like the little dots. Those are maybe too much, but I don't mind it. I love what's going on down here. Subtle marks. Yeah, so I think starting tomorrow, we're going to work in a square format. I got a new sketchbook. So we're going to start working in squares to prepare to hopefully in the next, at least by the end of this project, I might throw in a few, start working on some larger pieces. So let's see what this looks like with the matte. Ooh, I really like this one. I really like it. I think the Garphitint was a good idea. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see a new video. And I will see you in the next one where we'll continue to play with this idea of watercolor, Garphitint, and stencils because I like it and I'm going to pursue it a little bit more. Thanks so much. Bye.